G'day mates, this is Organelles at a Glance. This is a sail handbook, and it will teach you about the different parts of the sails called organelles. First, sails are the building blocks for all biotic matter. There are plant sails and animal sails. Let's take a look at some. Alright, let's begin with the nucleus. The nucleus is like the control center for the sail. It contains the DNA as well. It also controls what is done in the sail and where everything goes. Crikey, that's an amazing picture of a nucleus. See all that? The nucleus is like an airport terminal. It controls where everything is, all the planes, all the cars. This is the nucleolus. It contains RNA and it makes ribosomes. We'll talk about those later. The nucleolus is found inside the nucleus. The nucleolus is like the guy in the control tower. He contains all the information on where the planes are, and he makes all the jobs for the captains. These are ribosomes. Ribosomes make proteins which repair other cell parts. Ribosomes are like airplane factories, considering that the airplanes are the proteins. Airplane factories obviously build airplanes, just like ribosomes build protein. Now there are two types of ribosomes. Ribosomes that are free around the sail, and ones that attach themselves to endoplasmic reticulum. These are endoplasmic reticulums. They either transport proteins or carbs or lipids, depending on what kind, to wherever the cell needs it. There are two different types of endoplasmic reticulum. They're either smooth or rough. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum transports carbs and lipids. There's rough endoplasmic reticulum, as seen here, that transport proteins. This is what it looks like in an actual cell. That's amazing! The endoplasmic reticulum is like this airplane here, considering that the people are the carbs, the lipids, and your proteins. The airplane transports people to where they need to get, just like how the endoplasmic reticulum transports the carbs, your lipids, and your proteins to where they need to get. This is amazing. I can't believe we have so many analogies to cell parts. This is the mitochondria. The mitochondria is like the powerhouse for the whole cell. It makes energy for the cell so that it can carry on with its daily activities. The mitochondria is just like the jet of an airplane. The jet powers the airplane so it can fly, and the mitochondria powers the cell so the cell can live. These are the vacuoles. They store all the cell's food, water, and even waste. There are two different types of vacuoles. In plant cells they are much larger, and in animal cells they are much smaller. Vacuoles, I find, are like suitcases that you would take on a plane. Last, but definitely not least, is one of the most important parts of the cell, the cell membrane. The cell membrane protects the cell, and it also lets things in and out of the cell. As we can see, that from our cell picture before, the area shaded in pink around the cell, around all the organelles, is a cell membrane. The cell membrane is like the walls around an airplane and the walls around a control tower. They protect everything that's inside, and they don't let anything in or out without the right pass. This has been the Cell Stalker. You figured out all this information about cells, so you shouldn't mess up next time on a test. I'll see you later.